Hi everyone, and welcome back in part 4 of this section, Tools for Easy Programming Process. In the last video we have made our first Java program by writing the source code file and compile it and then run it. But the process was a little bit hard, where we have to create the source code file, then make its directory match the command prompt current directory to compile that source code file, then run the output class file through the Java Virtual Machine or JVM. But for an easier way to do all of that, there is a program called IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, which, as its name suggests, it integrates all the development environment in one place, which are the Java compiler, the JVM, and the other development tools. And there are many programs that can be used for that purpose, and in our course we will use one of them called IntelliJ IDEA, which is one of the popular IDE programs used in Java development process. So let's go and download it for easier programming process. So let's search for IntelliJ IDEA. And we can see that the first result is IntelliJ IDEA, the Java IDE. So let's open that. Okay, then choose download. Okay, we have two options. The first option, Ultimate, for web and enterprise development, and the second, Community, for JVM and Android development, which is free and open source. So since we want the JVM, so let's download that. Okay, and now the download starts. Okay, after our IDE is downloaded, let's install it. So let's hit double click. Next. Next. Then next. Next. Okay, now the installation is finished. So click finish. And let's open. Search for IntelliJ. Open. Okay, it will ask you for the first time to accept the terms and conditions. So let's hit I confirm. Continue. Okay, after the program opened, let's make a new project or Java program. So let's hit File, New, Project. Make sure you choose here Java, then hit Next, and hit Create Project for Template, and next. Name it our first program. Then finish. Okay, and since we choose the option that the program make a project from a template, so the IDE program or IntelliJ program make us the main program code, which is class, which wraps all the program, and inside the class it puts the main method, which has that form public static void main and so on, and it will tell you that you have to write your code here inside that main method in order to make that code run. Okay, and also the IDE named that main class or wrapper with the name main, and you can see that it has a first letter in uppercase, and also the file name main to Java has the same name as the class name, and also with the first letter in uppercase. Okay, and you can ignore that extra line for now. Okay, and now we can write the same code as we have written in our source code in the previous video that prints on the screen, "Hey, I am a programmer." And if you remember, that code will go inside that main method. So let's delete that and let's write. Remember, it was system with the first letter S in uppercase dot out dot print parentheses, and inside the parentheses we put double quotes, and you can see that when you open parentheses or double quotes, the program will close them for you. Okay, and now let's say we want to print, "Hey, I am a programmer," and don't forget to enter that statement with semicolon, the same as the period in English language. And now, rather than saving that file with extension to Java and then compile it using the CMD or command prompt and then run it through the Java virtual machine, also inside the command prompt, all we have to do now in the IDE to hit that button, which when you hover on, you see that it will run that main file with extension to Java, means that it will save it, compile it, and run it through the Java virtual machine. So it will do all the tedious and hard work for you. Just hit that button. So let's hit the button and see. And now the program is doing all the hard work for you. Just you have to wait. Okay, and now you can see that the output appears here in that area below, which is called console. And you can see it prints the message, "Hey, I am a programmer." And now if we edit our program to print hello, as we did in the previous video, let's print hello. Now all you have to do is to hit that button again, and it will save again and compile again and then run that file again through the Java virtual machine. So let's run. Okay, it does what we expect. It prints the new instruction, which is hello, rather than "Hey, I'm a programmer." Okay, so far so good. We now have all our development tools to start making awesome Java programs. And in the next sections, we will learn about Java language basics. So see you.